Hello budding artists and creative minds. Welcome to my channel Watching You. Today, I'll be drawing and walking you through the character Bill Cipher from Gravity Falls. Bill Cipher is a two-dimensional and interdimensional demon from the now-destroyed dimension of Euclydia. Initially existing only in the mindscape, he managed to break into the real world, wreaking havoc in Gravity Falls, Oregon, after being summoned by Ford Pines over 30 years ago. Known for his mysterious demeanor and sadistic humor, he serves as the main antagonist of the series. Although his first physical appearance occurs in Dreamscapers, Bill's presence is felt throughout, with his image appearing on the rug in the Mystery Shack, in the attic's window, and in the title sequence. Bill Cipher is a cunning, blasphemous, eccentric, and sadistic entity who finds amusement in the distress and harm of others. His outrageous demeanor and quick wit make him appear merely annoying, but beneath the surface lies a dangerous force. When angered, he unleashes his near-omnipotent powers, showcasing his true threat. As a demonic dealmaker, Bill is highly manipulative and charming, easily deceiving Ford Pines into believing he was a humble muse offering forbidden knowledge. In reality, he used Ford for his own selfish ends, demonstrating his lack of respect for rules or consequences. To Bill, laws and physics are mere illusions meant to be shattered through chaos and torment. When he possesses Dipper's body, Bill's masochistic tendencies emerge, as he inflicts pain upon himself, viewing it as a source of humor. His ignorance of human limits ultimately leads to his physical exhaustion during a confrontation with Mabel over Journal 3. In Weirdmageddon Part 1, his sadistic nature is on full display as he punishes those who defy him. He whimsically reshapes the functions of others' bodies and casually threatens the lives of the Pines twins for his own amusement. Despite his facade of indifference, Bill carries the weight of PTSD and survivor's guilt from the destruction of his home dimension, Euclydia. He often insists he feels no regret, claiming to have liberated its inhabitants, yet moments of genuine remorse occasionally slip through. In a rare moment of vulnerability, he reveals to Ford that the destruction was caused by a monster, hinting at deeper truths buried beneath his chaotic exterior. Bill Cipher is a yellow, two-dimensional, triangular creature resembling the reverse side of the Great Seal of the United States, complete with the Eye of Providence and an unfinished Egyptian pyramid. His body color shifts to a lighter hue when he speaks, and his appearances often wash the surrounding area in a monochrome effect, leaving it uncertain whether this is a physical change or merely a visual cue to highlight his presence. He possesses a single large eye with a slit pupil, framed by short black lashes, though the number of lashes can vary. Bill typically floats rather than walks, supported by thin black limbs. He sports a small black bow tie and a tall, thin black top hat that hovers above his head. Notably, he has no mouth but can utilize his eye as one to drink. His arms are flexible, moving freely along the perimeter of his body, and he sometimes carries a small cane. His lower body features a brick-like pattern, and he can change size dramatically, appearing as small as a hand or towering over the Mystery Shack. In Dipper and Mabel and the Curse of the Time Pirate's Treasure. Select your own choose venture. It is suggested through the Axolotls poem that Bill is an equilateral triangle, as indicated by the line about 60 degrees that come in threes. When angered, his voice deepens, his body turns red, and his eye becomes black with a white pupil, revealing a red iris upon close inspection. In this state, the previously black elements of his body turn white. When possessing a host, Bill alters their appearance, making their skin pale and their eyes yellow with black slits, while their voice adopts his distinctive tone. Following his encounter with Stan, Bill is depicted in The Book of Bill as cracked and glitching, exposing his damaged state after being struck. Hope you liked this video. See you soon in my next video. Bye for now.